deal on this framing nailer, impact driver, hammer drill. Big shout out to Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this. I don't know exactly how to pronounce their name, but big shout out to you, whoever posted this. So you got the M18 18 volt fuel brushless, coreless hammer drill, impact driver combo, 2-tool combo kit with framing nailer. You guys know this framing nailer is a beast. I do have it personally. This thing's really powerful. It might not be the fastest, but it's really powerful. All right, so it's $529. You go down here to the price. It's down from $579. It says 9% off. But if you guys go down here to the free with purchase, the free item with purchase, you guys are gonna select the battery. So I went ahead and selected. I already have this on the cart, by the way. So if I could go to the cart, show you guys what the price is. All right, so you guys are gonna get the, if you guys select the battery, you guys could get the battery for $116. Obviously, you're gonna get that discount from that other price, guys. It's down to $412, basically less than $200 a piece if you put it this way, or $200 for the nailer, $200 for the combo. Guys, this is a really good deal. It says 29% off. Don't forget to help this. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.